How's it going, everyone? I'm Jacob Crabb, VP of Sales and Marketing at Diamond C, and this is Scott Smith, Diamond C's Sales Manager. The purpose of today's video is to announce that we're recruiting for an account manager to add to Diamond C's rockstar sales team. Scott, talk to us a little about what kind of background and experience you're looking for in an account manager.
Jacob, I think for this role, this individual is going to need to be highly organized and goal-driven. They're going to need the ability to focus on developing and growing relationships with our dealers. That will help them to have a profitable, sustainable business, which will continue us into the future.
Yeah, I've always felt like, sales at Diamond C is not your normal sales environment. It's way more relationship driven, and it sounds like it could be a fulfilling career opportunity with a lot of runway, huh?
I would tell you that with the trajectory that we're on here at Diamond C currently, this individual is basically going to have the opportunity to script their own future, reach new highs. I think it'll be a real rewarding job.
Yeah. So if you spend any time at Diamond C or listen to us on social media at all, we say very often our purpose is to fuel the growth and success of our team members, customers, and community abroad. Scott, how would you say that this person would positively impact that purpose?
This role in its design is going to reach hundreds, if not thousands of people, just when you involve the dealership employees and their end-use customers, enabling them to improve, grow their businesses on both levels, and success into the future, which helps them, helps us. Everybody grows, everybody wins.
That's right. It fragments, it spiderwebs out across North America. You're talking about thousands and thousands of people that this person has the opportunity to impact. And that's right. What we're here for. We're here to change lives one trailer at a time, if you will.
Yeah.
So if that sounds like an opportunity that you would be up for, or you know somebody that would be interested in it, email a resume to ricow@diamondc.com. That's RICOW@diamondc.com. Thank you for your time and consideration, and we look forward to talking to you.
Thanks. Have a great day.